Narrated Anas bin Malik, Allah's apostle said, "Whoever prays like us and faces our Qibla and eats our slaughtered animals is a Muslim and is under Allah's and His apostles' protection. So do not betray Allah by betraying those who are in His protection." Please subscribe my channel. Narrated Abu Dha, once I went to him, the Prophet, and he said, "By Allah in whose hands my life is," or probably said, "By Allah, except whom none has the right to be worshipped, whoever had camels or cows or sheep and did not pay their zakat, those animals will be brought on the day of resurrection far bigger and fatter than before, and they will tread him under their hooves, and will butt him with their horns, and those animals will come in circle when the last does its turn, the first will start again, and this punishment will go on till Allah has finished the judgments amongst the people. Please subscribe my channel. Narrated Aisha, some people said, "O Allah's apostle, meat is brought to us by some people and we are not sure whether the name of Allah has been mentioned on it or not, at the time of slaughtering the animals." Allah's apostle said to them, "Mention the name of Allah and eat it." Please subscribe my channel.